Brand: Trimax. Lock type: key lock. Item dimensions LxWxH, 17 by 13 by 13 inches. Material: stainless steel. Color: black, chrome. Fit type: universal fit. Included components: Trimax ST30 Trimax spare tire cable lock. Top reviews from the United States. Try this. I think this lock is terrific. I have a master receiver lock on my truck, and ran into the corrosion issue. It has a rubber cap as well, and it kept slipping off. I could still open it with the key, barely. I flushed it with WD and then added a few drops of key lubricant, lasts longer than WD. I then put just a bit of synthetic grease over the key entry, closed the cap and placed it in the small size Glad freezer bag and zip-tied it. After 5 years it is still a snap to open it. This lock got the same attention when I installed it.